That's why we're spending.
Da ka jing snow scam na ka jing job haki election ki beladap haka ba ka Seng BJP ki layo jing job line ki South League election haki jela unong elam barang ba ke BJP uba na Meghalaya ber National Executive Member uba AL Hek uloong bada kenie ka ju ko kom Pynkhreh onle na ka Bynta ke election ahajar apusau da ka boong ba ke election sha ka yeng dorba thawan haki jela ka yapher na ke election sha ka yeng dorba Lok Sabha unong elam barang ba jong ka BJP uloong ba na ka Bynta ke election jong ki soka pedeng ki brieu kin jit bet ki National Party na marba ki brieu ki yoi ba ki National Party ki kamla ban ajing shakri ka bakambha uloong ba shimlapan ya ka tiket banyakun ya ka election na ka Seng BJP na Shillong parliamentary seat uba hek uloong ba baro ka rai ka shong hakinong elam jong ka Seng kemie.
People will go for a national party. There is no doubt at all. 4 states, 3 states the BJP won. So the same way will be carried on for the 2024 MP election. There's no doubt at all. BJP is doing very well in the whole country. They will do well in Meghalaya also. I'll tell you, in politics, if we talk about the assembly election, is a different election. If we talk for the national election, people will go for a national party. There is no doubt at all. National party, they can give a better development for the state of Meghalaya and also for the country.
District